Hello, today we will be talking about my website. It's called Pumped Up Gigs. This is the home page. It is one of the largest, hopefully we are one of the largest collections of shoes in the world. What we have in this page is we talk about our mission and what our web page is about, and how we are trying to help shoe lovers find the right price for shoes instead of spending thousands of dollars on just one pair of shoes when they can have many pair of shoes. Then you click on the store option, and once we go to the store option, we'll have various options of shoes here. Right now we only have one so far, but here you press shop, you click on it, and then a picture of the shoe pops up, and you have the price, the original price, and the cheapest price we could find. And then we'll have a little description of what we thought of the shoe and why it's a good fit for you and why it would be good to add to your shoe collection. We have our size and quantity. Then you go to our about page, and here we talk about who I who I am as a business owner and why I created my shoe company and website. Then you go to the FAQ, and then here, still not built up, but here we're gonna have all the frequently asked questions that people had, like what happens if this shoe doesn't fit me, or if it's not for me, or what happens if the color is off. You come here and we'll have all the questions answered. If not, you can post a question. That's what we'll have in this page. And then last, you have the contact page where you'll be able to submit any concerns or worries you have. And we have our reference page and strategic planning. And then down here, we have our social media, so you can contact us or look at our other platforms. Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed my website. Bye.